sessions of Kanak Infosystems tips and shifts. And in today's video, we just discuss about how we make a one-to-many field record drag and droppable. As you can see here, these records are not drag and droppable. So in this today's session, we just discuss about how we make it drag and droppable, and the one core issue related to the PDF report for this drag and drop we can also sort it out. So firstly, to make it as a drag and drop, we introduced a field in our models .py file with the name it, you can name it as a sequence equals to fields dot integer string sequence and default. It is important to set default value as how much you wanted to provide a default value. Default is equals to 10. So by providing a default is equals to 10, it means that we can drag it to if we having a 10 records, then we drag it to the 10th record and dropped it at 10th, or either we say that we can drag it to the 1 to 10th level tak. It's up on you that how much you wanted to put the value as a default, but by usual, as you see in a default code, then you find it that it provided a default value equals to 10. Then thereafter that we go to this one-to-many field XML file, and here in the tree we can define this field name, as you can pick this from here, and use a widget whose name is handle. By this widget we can get our task is done. As we can refresh the code and back to the menu and refresh it here we can see that the whole our one-to-many records become drag and droppable, as we can easily drag and drop it here. And when we save it, then as you see, there is no misplaces of a value, as we put where it's steady at there. And then after that but the main part is that what about its PDF? If we print this record as in PDF, then when we click on a PDF report, and as we can see in our PDF report, the drag and drop value is student 1, 2 and 4, Aman, Mohit, Rishabh and Aman. But here we see Aman, Rishabh and Mohit. It means that the changes we done in one-to-many field of our classroom record is not reflected in our PDF report. So what to do in that particular condition? We just go to its report file where it is called, and here it is, and just using a simple trick, or either we say that a simple step, we can find its loop value, where its values we get, and here we get the loop value, and we use a keyword, or either we say that a function or a method sorted o.marksId key is equals to lambda x colon x dot what's our field name, and here its field name is sequence field name, which we define in our py file, and then we close the braces. And as you can see here that we use a sorted function which whose work is to just sort the list in the proper manner which we provided in our, either we said that in a view. So just refresh file, fetch the module, or either we say that update the module, and then just drag and drop the value here, the first one, and the Aman is going on this way, and Mohit on Rishabh, and something like that. And then we're going to print this report. Oh, wait for a second, what we get here. Okay, okay, now save it, and then refresh the button, and again drag and drop Rishabh to upward, and then save it, and then print the value report. And what we get that okay, so Aman, Rishabh and Mohit, Aman, Rishabh and Mohit, as you can see from this file, previous one and the new one, you see that the records must be updated by using this short keyword. And if we again do it for another time, then we find it out that now Aman is at last. Now print the report, and what we get, okay, here again we get Rishabh, Mohit and Aman, Rishabh, Mohit and Aman. That's it, that's up for the video. Thank you for listening and watching the video. If you like it, then please visit to our website or page and follow us on